Market is falling every day we come with an hope that okay, today market will stabilize and it will not go down. But you see, every day from last 3 weeks we are falling. We touch a high of almost 26,200 for nifty level. Now we are at 24,450, almost 7 to 8% down from the top. There are many reasons behind that. We have spoken a lot earlier also, but from here where it will go, that is the biggest question everyone is asking. I am getting every day messages or WhatsApp or mail or through comments that no, where the market is going to stop falling. Well, guys, even I don't have answer. Even you don't have answer. No one has that type of answer. We can just analyze the situation. We can just see the things. Okay, what is going wrong with Indian market? Why it is falling and all that. But otherwise, no one knows. But one thing is for sure, that as a long term investor, you don't worry about all this stuff. See, guys, at the end of the day, you are here to earn money. You are not here just for sake of the market. के market अच्छा चलेगा तो ही मैं invest करूंगा, नहीं. At the end of the day, you are investing in any particular company, and that companies fundamentally depend on what type of operation they are, what type of business model they have. Of course, it will depend on some of the other factors also, macro level, but it's not that everything happening at a market level is going to impact your stock prices, sorry, stock fundamentals out there. Yes, prices may move up and down based on the market situation. If FI is selling, what I can see today's figure also, if we take it, it's almost 1 lakh crore, 92,000 crore rupees plus. If I take FNO and all that, 1 lakh crore selling in a particular month. Still, the month is not over. Now, this is one of the highest selling FI has ever done. You can take many factors, like they are moving towards China, or Indian valuation is too high, they are not comfortable and all that. But whatever it is, they are selling. But against that, we are buying also. Almost 87 to 90,000 crore rupees of buying DII has already done. But then also it is impacting the stock prices. It is impact the stock prices going down. And no, specifically small cap and mid cap. But today I have seen that okay, there is some respite in small cap and mid cap. Slowly and gradually, at least if the bottom formation is happening in a coming time, that is good. Because see, overall, if you see that there is not a big fundamental change happening at Indian economy level. Yes, inflation was on a little bit higher side, so interest rate cut may not happen in December, maybe in February. And the problem with the US is happening is that no, the because after 15 days this election is there. Okay, the result, maybe Kamala Harris or Trump, that will come to know, where the probability is more that Trump is going to come. There is some little bit shaky there. But if you see in last, from September month onwards, yesterday was the second day where the no, Nasdaq has gone down. Nasdaq and Dow Jones has S&P, sorry, S&P has given an no, negative figure. So that shows how much bullishness is there on US front of view. But there also another problem is created, that that jobless data, and the all the data is so good that it may happen that no, economy is basically, economy is in a much more stable position. So everyone, which was whoever talking, that before the year end there will be a 75 basis point rate cut. This is not going to happen. Maybe 25 basis point cut, that is the maybe 70-80 chances, but not 50 basis points. So there also, there the situation is that interest rate cut may not happen fast. In India also, interest rate may not cut happen fast. So that is what is also panicking market. Again, the result season, if you see, geopolitical crisis will keep it aside. Of course, oil little bit coming up, $75, that will keep it aside. But the main factor where everyone is thinking is that the current result season is not coming great. But if I see the result, it is mixed bag. Okay, yes, some banks have done extremely well. When we talk today only, I no, put a video on. If you're not check it, you can check it for HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, even Kotak, RBL Bank. Okay, RBL Bank was an exception. Kotak was okay, but Axis and HDFC was much better. But overall banking sector का ठीक ठाक है, इतना खराब result भी नहीं है. When we talk about FMCG, yes, FMCG, there is a problem. There you can see that inflation is actually pitching, and no, you can see that the growth is not there. You see, Tata Consumer came up with a very bad result. Nestle also very very muted volume growth, maybe 1% odd, and that shows overall HUL also was okay. Just the data is released, I have not seen in detail, but the main thing is वहाँ थोड़ा problem आ रहा है consumption point of view. So that is what is hurting FMCG sector. IT was overall okay. Yesterday you see the persistent result came extraordinary result. Okay, even Wipro result was good. Infosys was also okay. Only the TCS was not so great, but IT result was also okay. Okay, then other companies when we talk about like Zomato and all that new age companies, they have also given a decent return. Yes, there had some pain in few other sectors, but overall it's a mixed bag. You cannot say that no, the result season is very bad. That is not my opinion. Again, the we have gone up so fast now that we are taking a breather here. Again, the Indian valuation, no, as we go down, no, will be actually comfortable only for many of the investors. But yes, till the FII is selling it, it is visible that no, the market don't want to stop at any level. It wants to go down only, and this is when you have to be very very careful on which type of stock selection you are doing and which type of sectors are you are picking up. Okay, like many of you I'm getting lot of questions that can they do an average in defense stocks, PSU stocks, railway stocks, defense like no, like Cochin Shipyard, Mazagon, and all that stuff. Even railway stock like RVNL and all that. Okay, powered sector also going down little bit. Even PSU, then all these sectors are going down. Renewables also little bit, but I will not suggest to get into in these stocks so fast, guys, because these are the stocks. No, these are the sector which has gone up a lot. Now it's like a profit booking happening, and my suggestion will be you can wait for some time, because of course it was quite overvalued. Now you may say तो अपन अभी बोल रहे हो पहले क्यों नहीं बोले थे, पहले भी यही था. But at the end of the day, everyone was enjoying the rally, everyone was enjoying in the rain dance. Now when the music has stopped, no, then you come to know who are there. Correct. So this is what is happening with all these sectors. The music has stopped. Now I'm not saying that for future prospects are not good. Future prospects is much better. Okay, acha order book hai. Every company has even 4 times 5 times order book and all that, but the problem is with the valuation part. Okay, this if you have a valuation when you have so high, it may not perform so well. Like no, I just, if you have seen my early video on Nestle, if you see no, everything good about the company, but in last 3 years it has not given any type of return to any of its shareholders, because it is trading at 90p, 85p. Okay, and so when you have such a high valuation, no, it's very very difficult to justify the these prices. Even the DMart, same thing happened. Avenue supermarket result was not at all good. Okay, and that also hurt overall the consumption. If you see the consumption on FMCG and all that, that has not given so great result. Pharma is okay somewhat. Okay, but yes, this is where no, so the underlying rural area and all this, and the bigger thing, this Bajaj Auto and all that, they come up with the result, the auto, and they told that no, festival season is not so great, and that also started hurting a market a lot, because उनको लगा कि भाई overall there is a problem across, and you can, it is visible. So what is a safe haven currently? If you ask me what is the safe haven currently, I think IT and banking are the safe haven currently, because these are the no sector no, which has given you a decent reason. Still, lot many result is going to come. I am not saying this is the end of the result season, but yes, one thing is for sure that if you ask that where is the hiding area, I think these are the, I think IT and banking is one of the hiding area where you can stay. And pharma, of course, no, the results are coming, but that that because of that US FDA regulation, all that, there only there is a big impact coming. So as an investor, what you have to do now? See, as an investor, guys, you have to be considered here. See, ऐसा तो नहीं ना हर टाइम मार्केट ऊपर ही जाने वाला है, and we have to be prepared, no, that okay, sometime it may happen 15-20% cut happening on the market point, or still it is 8-9%. Can it go to 15%? It may happen. Can it go from here another 5%, 10% up again touch all-time high? That can also happen, but you have to be ready with all that stuff. And see, when the market is showing this is the best time to buy. I think I don't find any reason why you should not buy in this fall. You should go and buy. Even I am telling to all my investors also daily that yes, you have to buy, you have to buy this deep. When the market is going up now, we are just waiting for the fall. अरे मार्केट बहुत ऊपर चला गया, फास्ट चला गया, मेरे को तो टाइम ही नहीं इन्वेस्ट किया मिलने का, इन्वेस्ट करने का, अब आपको मिल रहा है. Then use it with both the hands, guys. Use it and just see a stock. If it is good, you don't have to worry about it. See, this type of cycle will come and go. This type of boom and burst now will always, this is not a burst, but yes, cyclical movement will always be there in the market. You have to stick with your own good quality stocks and nothing to worry about, nothing to worry about. Now many are saying no no और नीचे जाएगा. देखो, at the end of the day, if you're a long term investor, what it matters for you, it matters that whether your stock is going to get double, triple, four times in next 2 3 years, 4 years or not. Then why you are worrying behind for 10 15% downtick more? The problem is you will not able to catch the bottom, and if you try to catch the bottom, and then you may miss the complete stock also. So even though it may go down by 10% now, but my suggestion is, suppose you want to invest 100 rupees, you should invest at least 50 60 rupees by now. Maybe 30 40 you can still wait, see, but every 2 3% fall at a nifty level, no, I think one should invest. And this provided you are a long term investor. I'm not talking about anything about short term trading and all that, but as a long term investor you don't have to worry about all this stuff. Guys, it's a very very good opportunity to invest in a good quality stock. Many of the stocks you're getting at 20 30% downtick. There will be many expert will be saying अरे रुक जाओ और गिरेगा, लेकिन गिरेगा तो आपको थोड़ी पता है कि ये एंड है. You are not knowing, no, that when it reached 26,200, this is the top of the market. So how you will come to know what is the bottom of the market? Correct. So let's be sensible. Even I will not able to predict that, and that's why I know it's always sensible. It's like, no, over the years, who has earned the most, who has continued their SIP in mutual fund. That is what everyone is saying. No, mutual fund है ठीक है 15 16% return दिया है over the years, but because you are doing systematic investment every month, that is where you are gaining. Similarly, when you are doing a direct equity investment, you have to follow that rule. Every fall you have to go and buy. You don't have to worry about कि कल क्या होने वाला है. This all this thing is not in your control, not in my control. Tomorrow what is going to happen in US election, what is going to happen with all the result season coming, what is going to happen with the China stimulus package, this is not in your hand. So what is there in your hand? In your hand is that invest in a good quality stock. If do a research, if you are not able to do a research, take an expert help. We do provide stock recommendation service, guys. And again, I do always preach this, but no, this season is going on, festival season. Click the below link and comment box mein dala hua hai. You can check our recommendations and then our session also. Now lot of discount is that you can use that, but take this opportunity with both the hands, guys. बिलीव मी, नत पैसे बनेंगे कंपनी से बनेंगे, ना कि मैक्रो एनालिसिस करना है, बट एट द एंड व्हाट ए कंपनी इज डूइंग इज मच मच important for you. So hope you like this video, guys. Start investing. And if you have any question, guys, put it in the chat box, comment box, any question or related to stock sector. I do reply every time. And as I told you, today also there is a session, guys. If you want, you can attend the session at 8 p.m. sharp. Okay. So I'll see you soon next time, guys. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe the video. Bye.